So what's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So today I'll be doing my very first car review. So this is the Toyota Vios or Yaris sedan XLE 1.3 CVT 2023. So the Toyota Vios has been a mainstay in the Philippine automotive market and renowned for its reliability, affordability, and fuel efficiency. It's arguably the best budget sedan in the Philippines for quite some time. Having used this car for 2 years as my daily vehicle for work, I'm ready to share my insights. So the Vios XLE 1.3 CVT boasts a sleek and contemporary design. Its updated front grille and headlamp arrangement lend it more aggressive appearance, while its streamlined body maintains aerodynamic efficiency. This model represents the third generation with a second facelift. It is slightly smaller than the Corolla and Camry, but it is larger than most of its subcompact rivals, such as Mitsubishi Mirage G4 or Honda City. The XLE variant features halogen lights, fog lamps, and 15-inch wheels with two-tone mags. It is equipped with ventilated disc brakes on the front wheels and drum brakes at the rear. Additionally, it sports a fin-style antenna. Its compact size is perfect for maneuvering through busy city streets, yet it still commands attention on the road. The interior impresses with a spacious and well-appointed cabin. The seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for both short city trips and longer journeys. However, expect some hard plastics in most areas, except for the gear lever knob, alongside comfortable fabric upholstery and extensive piano black surface at various touch points. The dashboard layout is similar to that other cars. Of course, there's steering wheel, and behind it, there's a tachometer, odometer, gas and temperature gauges, and other indicators. At the center, there's a 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that is compatible with wired CarPlay and Android Auto. And there's also a Bluetooth connection for this. So this also houses the air conditioning controls. At the center as well, there are two bottle holders that are placed, with two more on each front door, and an additional pair on the rear doors. The gear shifter and the console box occupy the central space as well. The Alcantara finishes on the driver and passenger's doors add a touch of luxury, in which I find it appealing. The driver's door houses the control for the power windows and door locks, as well as the knob for adjusting the side mirrors. The cabin has an ample cozy room for 4 average-sized people, and up to 5 is possible but with limitations for its comfort. Its trunk capacity is big and around 326 liters, and you can put a lot of things on it. Under the hood, it is powered by a 1.3-liter engine paired with continuous variable transmission, or CVT. This combination delivers a smooth and efficient driving experience. The engine provides adequate power for city driving and highway cruising, while the CVT ensures seamless gear transitions. But if you need more power, you'll find yourself pushing the pedal to the metal during overtakes and speed changes. Although the car handles well with responsive steering and a tight turning radius, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. One of the standout features of the Vios is its fuel efficiency. The 1.3-liter engine is designed to maximize fuel economy, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. Smaller engine means much smaller consumption of fuel. So drivers can expect impressive mileage, which translates to fewer trips to the gas stations and of course more savings. So without any traffic, you can get more than 20 km per liter on it. So Toyota has equipped the Vios with a range of safety features as well. Standard safety equipment includes airbags for driver and front passenger. There's also anti-lock braking system, electronic brake distribution or the EBD, in brake assist, and also the hill start assist. These features work together to provide a secure driving experience, giving drivers and passengers a peace of mind. In the competitive market of the Philippines, the Toyota Vios XLE 1.3 CVT emerges as an exceptional value. It delivers a combination of style, comfort, performance, and efficiency at compelling price point. Toyota's reputation for durability and low maintenance costs adds to its allure and something I can personally vouch for. In my 2 years of ownership, I've encountered no issues at all. It's consistently reliable and perform admirably. As a budget-friendly and everyday vehicle, it truly excels. So the Toyota Vios is commendable option for Filipino car buyers seeking a dependable and efficient and comfortable car. This car costs around 800 to 900,000 Philippine pesos, and it can be divided into 60 monthly payments. I was able to get this car at Toyota Dasmariñas, and what I appreciate about Toyota is the dealership staff as they offer excellent customer service. So the Toyota Vios XLE 1.3 CVT is commendable option for Filipino car buyers seeking dependable, efficient, and comfortable car. It's an excellent choice for both first-time buyers and those in need of trustworthy secondary vehicle, in making the Vios a worthy series of consideration. So that is my review for this Toyota Vios XLE 1.3 CVT in 2024. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.